How you guys doing?
Good, how are you doing?
I missed you.
You gotta come on the third boat.
Yeah, I know. Let's take it out. Okay, sir. Ayan mga kagwapo natin. Ayan. Saan tayo? Nalalim muna tayo. So yeah, these are now my guests. They're now playing frisbee or something. Yeah. And the four guys, that's Sir Tom. Forgot the other names. Operado na ako, sir. Di na ako pwede dyan. So this is again Anuangin. There you go. There's our boat. So this is our place there. So and maybe mamaya kung kaya pa namin, we'll go over there to do the hiking. Alright guys, see you around. Thank you.